Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and I would like to share a few highlights of the agenda for our meeting on Tuesday, January 27th. We begin the day with presentations. One of our presentations will be to honor this year's recipients of the Don Smith Award. This award recognizes employees who have contributed in an outstanding manner to the well-being of fellow employees. We will also designate February 2015 as African American History Month in Fairfax County. With this proclamation, our board will acknowledge the many contributions, struggles, and stories of our African American community throughout history. Our first action item on Tuesday will be a vote to renew our Memorandum of Understanding with the Southeast Fairfax Development Corporation. Also known as SFDC, this nonprofit works to spur redevelopment and revitalization efforts along Richmond Highway. That is the stretch of Route 1 between Old Town Alexandria and Fort Belvoir. SFDC helps attract exciting new development projects to this area of the county and serves as a resource for local residents and business owners. You can visit sfdc.org to read about the latest news happening on Richmond Highway. During our public hearings, we will consider an adjustment to Board of Supervisors salaries for board members taking office in January 2016. State law is very specific regarding any adjustment to board members' salaries. Action may only be considered every 4 years and must be taken prior to adoption of the budget during an election year. Action was last taken to increase compensation for members of the Board of Supervisors 8 years ago in 2007. If action is not taken by April 15th of this year, another opportunity to address board compensation will not take place until the year 2019. Our Board of Supervisors has advertised an increase from our current $75,000 salary to $95,000 for board members and $100,000 for the chairman. Following the public hearing, we can adopt something less than what was advertised, but not more. Fairfax County is moving closer towards revitalizing the Lake Ann Village Center in Reston. The board will consider adoption of the Crescent Property Redevelopment Plan, calling for 1.17 million square feet in new housing, retail, and office space. The site includes the 16-acre county-owned property where the Crescent Apartments sit, as well as land west of North Shore Drive. If the board approves the project, the developer will ensure that 20% of the new housing units are affordable, compared to the county's required 12%. Pedestrian paths, parks, open space, bike lanes, and electric vehicle recharging stations and parking garages are also part of the site plan. There will be separate public hearings on the project proposal and financial contract. To view the full agenda for our upcoming meeting, visit the Board of Supervisors webpage at our county website at fairfaxcounty.gov. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for your interest in Fairfax County government.